Take a ride in the 2016 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, trip odometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.